Namaste, yogis. I am Adi, the Black Yogi. Welcome to Freedom and Flexibility. In the month of February, we're celebrating African American History Month, and we are doing that through movement, which is the freedom to make the movements right in our body, allowing flexibility right in our body, in our mind, in our spirit. So I appreciate you for joining me in the month of February for freedom and flexibility. If you're interested and you would love to tune in, please click that subscribe button, comment, like, leave your feedback. I love to hear from you. Let's get into it. Welcome back, yogis. Today we're going to be practicing one of my absolute favorite postures, child's pose, balasana. So coming onto the floor, you're going to start with your knees bent. You're going to allow your big toes to touch each other. Okay? So you can spread your knees as wide as the mat if you'd like to, if that feels comfortable for you, or you can have them closer, whatever feels most comfortable for you. And we'll slowly exhale, folding forward, allowing our hands to come down. This is where a block might even be handy for you. To rest your head gently on that block. You can allow it to be at the highest setting, the lowest setting, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Sinking down into the yoga mat, allowing your shifting all of the weight into your heels, allowing your arms to stretch forward, releasing any tension that you might be holding in your neck and in your shoulders. Breathing in 5. Letting go 4. Breathing in 3. Letting go 2. Breathing in 1. Good, exhale. Slowly walk your hands up to bring you back into a neutral position. Find yourself in child's pose every morning when you wake up and every night before you fall asleep. Find yourself in child's pose and breathe for 10 breaths. Let me know in the comments below if you already practiced child's pose. Let me know how this posture made you feel. I love any and all feedback. It's important and it's essential to me and the progress. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.